on that scale on that Friday or that Monday and you see that your weight has not changed, so you become unmotivated and you want to quit. I'm guilty of doing it, you guys. I was that person weighing myself every day. I was that person weighing myself every 2 days, and I would get frustrated and upset because the weight was not falling off. What's up, you guys? I'm Deja. Welcome back to my channel. By the title of the video, you already know what's going on. Today I'll be giving you guys 5 reasons for why you can't stay motivated to lose weight. So before getting into the video, I just want to give a big shout out to all of my new subscribers. I love y'all. I've been getting so many new followers on Instagram, and if y'all are cute and y'all are active, I'm definitely following y'all back. So make sure you go follow me on IG. I'm thinking about doing like an accountability, weight loss, like informational group on there. So if you're interested, definitely follow me so you guys can be a part of that. I'm actually going to do a giveaway because I reached 1,000 subscribers. So the rules will be down below, and you guys will have to follow me on Instagram for that. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. You guys know I'm going to be completely honest and real with y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. So if you are new to my channel and you don't know or haven't seen any of my other videos, I have lost over 70 pounds. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. I've lost weight, gained weight, lost weight, and lost weight again. Maybe not that much, but I've lost weight, gained it back, lost the weight, and we're back in present time, right? So throughout my whole process of losing weight, I found reasons for why I stayed on track and for reasons why I did not stay on track. I also received several DMs, messages from family members and friends asking for my help to lose weight. And if we're being completely honest, you guys, they don't need me. They don't need me at all to help them lose weight. They don't need me to tell them what to do. They just need to find the motivation. So if you want to lose weight and you don't know why you keep falling off track, you don't know why you keep doing your meal plan or your diet plan or whatever you have for a week and you're getting off track, this video is for you. This video is to tell you why you can't stay motivated. So I came up with 5 reasons for you guys why I feel as though several people fall off track and cannot stay motivated to lose weight. So I actually came up with this video idea because I follow so many different weight loss influencers on YouTube and on Instagram, and I never really saw anybody talk about the topic of motivation and falling out of motivation. But truth be told, you need some type of motivation to keep you on track and to keep you wanting to lose weight. So if you are watching this video and you want to lose weight and you want to know why you can't stay motivated, these 5 things may help you narrow it down and get on your journey to lose weight. So my very first reason why you can't stay motivated is that you truly have not found why you are trying to lose weight. So you may want to lose weight, but you don't really have a reason why you want to lose weight. And if you don't know why you want to lose weight, then you're not going to be able to stay on track to lose the weight. So with that being said, my biggest motivation for losing weight was my health. I talked about all of that in my last video, so I'm not going to go back too much into it, but you have to find your reason for losing weight. You can't just want to lose weight because it's a trend, or you know, you can't just want to lose weight because a friend wants to lose weight. You have to find why you want to lose weight. What is it? Why do you want to lose weight? Is it because you don't like how you look? Is it because of health? Is it because you have a trip coming up and you want to lose weight? Find your reason why you want to lose weight. And if you find a reason that is strong, a reason that is solid, I promise it will keep y'all motivated to work out. It'll keep y'all motivated to drink your water. It'll keep y'all motivated to eat what you're supposed to eat, or not eat what you're not supposed to eat. So find a true reason for why you want to lose weight and stick at it. Maybe write it on a sticky note, put it on your mirror in your bathroom so you can always see it, and so you always know why you're doing what you're doing. Find a solid reason for why you want to lose weight, and I promise that reason, if it's solid enough, it will keep y'all motivated. So the second reason for why you can't lose weight is because you have unrealistic expectations. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100% real with y'all when it comes to talks like this. So I'm gonna be honest, a lot of y'all are being unrealistic. You can't have a certain body type and then want to look a certain type of way. You have to be realistic with yourself. So I like to tell people to be your own motivation. Maybe you have old pictures of yourself where you were smaller. Let that be your motivation. Try to get back to that old size. Maybe you want to get back down to your high school weight. Make yourself your own motivation, because if you're being unrealistic with yourself and comparing yourself to people like Ari Fletcher or Beyonce, I don't know, or all of these IG models, you're going to set yourself up for failure. So I'm being real with you guys. Find realistic expectations. I like to find girls with my body type on Instagram, girls that are normal girls like me, or social media influencers. I like to find girls with similar body types to mine. And everybody's body is different, but you can definitely find a girl with a similar shape to yours. Or like I said, if you can't find someone similar to you, forget that. Find old pictures of yourself. Let yourself be your motivation. It's on being the best self that you can be. Like, don't set unrealistic expectations for you guys. For yourself, you guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna have you down. You go expect a body like somebody and you're not even shaped like that from the start. So if you have an athletic build, don't expect to have this Coke bottle shape. Or if you have a Coke bottle shape and you want an athletic build, don't expect to get the athletic build. You have to fall in love with your own body and make realistic expectations for yourself. So I promise, when you be real with yourself, you won't set yourself up for failure. My next reason for why you aren't staying motivated, you're depending on the scale. You get on that scale on that Friday or that Monday and you see that your weight has not changed. So you become unmotivated and you want to quit. I'm guilty of doing it, you guys. I was that person weighing myself every day. I was that person weighing myself every 2 days. And I would get frustrated and upset because the weight was not falling off. Your weight is just one way to measure if you're losing weight or not.
Do you go back to a fitness program where you're building muscle, especially muscle weighs more than fat? You can also make it about your fitness, your waist measurements, how you feel, how your clothes feel. It's not always about the weight.
Number, yes. It's called NSVs, non-scale victories. Was I able to exercise as much as I wanted? Did I stay away from fast food this week? Things that you scored victories on outside the bathroom scale.
So drop the scale. Maybe weigh yourself once a month. Start depending on your clothes. Start measuring your waist. Start measuring different parts of your body. Do not depend on the scale, because the scale is not your friend. I promise y'all, I have to preach this to myself. The scale is not your friend, and the scale will deter you and stop your motivation. So depend on other things besides your scale. Depend on your clothes that you couldn't fit a couple months ago. Depend on how you look. Take pictures of yourself. Do not depend on the scale, because I promise y'all, the scale will stop your motivation to lose weight. You will see, oh, the numbers are moving on the scale, so I'm not losing weight. No, that could not necessarily be true. So sometimes you could be building muscle but losing fat, and you can look smaller, but the scale is showing you're wearing the same weight. So don't depend on a scale. There's so many different things that can be going on with your body, such as water weight and things like that. So don't depend on the scale. I will say you should weigh yourself just to see how things are going. Maybe try weighing yourself once a month or every 2 months, but don't depend solely on the scale. That will stop y'all and cut all your motivation out. So the next reason why you can't stay motivated to stay on your weight loss journey or stay on track, you are heavily influenced by other people. So yes, you can be in the groove like, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna eat right, I'm gonna do this, and then you are around a friend or a family member or your partner, and then they come in and make a comment and your motivation is thrown completely off. For example, you go out to eat with your man and you're trying to lose weight, and you already done put in your head like, I'm going out to eat, I'm gonna order grilled chicken, you know, asparagus, maybe you are going to have some mashed potatoes and water, whatever you have, and you decided that you're going to keep your calories at a certain amount, or whatever your goal is, you're going to keep that at a certain amount. So you go out with your boyfriend and he orders onion rings, chicken strips, fries, and it's something on the menu that you usually order, and he's like, babe, why don't you get what you usually order? Why are you trying to eat grilled chicken? And you like, oh, well, you know, you had your mind made up before you got there that you're going to stay on track. And then you let your boyfriend influence you or your friend influence you to order that special meal. And now whatever goal you had in your head mapped out and planned out to purchase whatever meal today, you're not going to purchase it because you were easily influenced by your friend or your partner telling you that you eating whatever you planned on not eating was okay. So it's important to make sure you surround yourself by people that respects your plan, respects your goals. And if you can't hang around people that respect you, then you may need to stop hanging out with them, or you just may need to be strong-minded. Just because someone tells you it's okay to eat that and you feel like it's not okay, don't let them guilt you into ordering it, or stay true to your goals. Believe in yourself and say, no, I'm not going to eat that, or no, it's not okay. I'm not going to let you influence me to eat that. If you want to eat that and put that in your body, you put that in your body. So don't be influenced by other people, because all it take, y'all, I promise, is to have that little meal that you didn't plan on and you back off track. So don't be heavily influenced by other people. My final tip is that you have not done your research. So a lot of people don't stay motivated because they feel as though to lose weight they have to eat salads every day, or they have to drink water every day, which you will lose weight doing that, but that's not the only way to lose weight. So make sure you do your research. Make sure you don't have it planted in your head that, oh, I'm going to eat boring meals every day, I'm going to eat unsatisfying meals every day, and that's the only way I can lose weight. No, that's not true. You have to do your research and make your weight loss journey fun. Like, find creative meals that are healthy. Make sure you do your research and you don't have wrong facts planted into your head, because I'm telling y'all, if you stay on that super unfun, super strict meal plan, you will get unmotivated. You will eventually get bored. Find meals that fit into your calories or your macros or whatsoever, and make it fun. Do your research, because if you go into it not knowing how everything works, you're going to get frustrated and your motivation is going to be completely off. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Leave questions, comments down below. What do you guys want to know about me? What do you want to know about my weight loss journey? I'm going to have giveaway rules down below. I think I'm going to let the giveaway go throughout the whole month of October. So guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I thank you for watching. Bye.